So over here you can see that I have this particular form, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and embed out the entire form by using its source code. So for that, you can actually go ahead and export out the source code itself from Jotform as well. So to do that, you simply need to go to Publish and then go to Embed right here on the left hand side. And here you can see that there's a copy source code or download in a zip file. So you can see the source code right here. You can go ahead and copy the code right here, paste it somewhere, or you can download the source code itself right here. So let's just go ahead right here and download the source code out right here. And you can see that this is the source code right here. You can see that JavaScript file is embedded as well. So let me just go around over here and then let's say for example, open this out right here. And then what happens is that you can see that the form itself is loaded out right here. So this has the entire source code. So if I were to inspect it out, you can see the entire code is within here. So you can go ahead and add this to your web page as you want as well as needed. So that is how you can simply go ahead and download out the form source code as a separate file or copy it out right here from Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe